Let's talk formal and informal greetings in English. Hello, language explorers. Today, we are going to dive into the world of greetings. More specifically, we will be focusing on formal and informal greetings in English. Whether you are interacting with colleagues, classmates, or making new friends, knowing the right greetings can help you establish positive connections. Let's get started. Formal greetings are crucial in professional environments or when interacting with people we don't know well. They help set a respectful tone and convey professionalism. Some common formal greetings include 1. Good morning, afternoon, evening. These are time-specific greetings used according to the time of day. For instance, you'd say, "Good morning," when you meet someone in the morning. 2. Hello, it's nice to meet you. This is a perfect greeting for first-time encounters. It's polite and expresses that you're pleased to make the person's acquaintance. 3. How are you? A polite way to show concern for the person you're greeting. The most common response is, "I'm fine. Thank you. How about you?" Informal greetings, on the other hand, are used in casual situations or with people we know well. These greetings can add a touch of friendliness and familiarity. Here are some common examples. 1. Hi. Hey. These are simple and commonly used informal greetings. They're perfect for friends and people of the same age group. 2. What's up? How's it going? These are casual ways to ask someone how they are. They are usually used among friends or peers. 3. Nice to see you. This is often used when you meet someone you know but haven't seen for a while. It conveys a sense of warmth and friendliness. Keep in mind that the choice between formal and informal greetings also depends on the cultural context and the relationship between the people communicating. Some cultures prefer a more formal approach, while others might lean toward casual greetings. Similarly, the use of formal or informal language also changes depending on the nature of your relationship with the person you're talking to. And there you have it, folks. Today we explored the fascinating world of formal and informal greetings in English. Remember, knowing the right greetings isn't just about the words. It's also about understanding the context and appropriateness. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll navigate English greetings with ease and confidence. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more interesting topics on English language learning. Until next time, keep exploring, and keep learning.